A homeowner in Content, Manchester is contemplating relocating from the flood-hit community. He recently spent thousands of dollars on renovation, and the house now sits on water. Ramarda Lyons reports.
Spared by Hurricane Melissa. That thought rang in Horace McFarlane's mind as the system passed, leaving him with not much damage. But days later, this was his home, with an unusual guest barging in.
I wake up the morning, I hear the water, and when I look, it flowing inside through the back door downstairs. Right? And I was hoping that it would reach a point where it would stop.
It didn't. In fact, it was almost as though it had a point to prove.
When I see it coming up, then we start get busy. Right? And we start to shuffle up some things. Well, by the time I get a truck, it was a small truck, and it just moved one load. By the time he come back, the guy then refused to go in the water and take out anything.
He tried, even moving some furniture to higher grounds, but a wave of confusion attacked.
It's a state where me shock, and sometimes just a spin around like fool. I wonder what we take up. Me go in the water and kind of elevate some things. Because I never have the least idea say I don't reach the roof. But it never help.
The others remain in a permanent wash day, drenched for over 3 weeks. The house went from this to this, then this, only the roof above water. From afar, it looks like a single sheet of zinc floating. Wires, sockets, light fixtures, ceiling light holders, breaker boxes, meters, all just about water current now. Mr. McFarlane stands across the road, pointing at the property he recently spent a fortune to renovate.
New roof, new ceiling, door jamb, tile. Me change out the window them, rewire it because it was a house with some parts still have the wire them on the surface, you know. So chop the wall, put in it, change out breaker, everything.
All those expenses and now no plans to move back in.
So I'm at a standpoint now where I can't afford to pay rent. I can't afford to rebuild a next house. So all I can hope and depend on for the government to relocate me.
And it doesn't matter where.
Once is a year where I approve of, you know, it wouldn't matter to me. I feel say I should abandon. Because I don't really want to come back here. So. And if I clean up, we go do after her. Can't just imagine, you know.
Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.